Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Great. So your name is Jessica, right?
It is. Yes. What's your name?
My name is Ramzan.
Ramza. Where are you from?
I am from India.
India. Which city?
That is Jammu.
I don't know where that is.
And you are from?
I'm from England, but I live in Turkey.
Okay, Turkey. So I have a dream that I will be visiting in Turkey, you know?
It's a dream.
Yes, I am the big fan of your president who is there.
Erdogan.
Yes, Erdogan.
Okay. You like him?
Yes, I like his leadership because he is a great leader.
That's interesting. I've never heard anyone say that in Turkey.
Yes. Yes, because maybe he is little strict, so that's why. Is it like that?
To be honest, he's a very religious president, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why I like him.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have a lot of opinion because I'm not Turkish, so it's hard to say.
Okay, so your profession, what's your profession you are working on as an English teacher online right now, and other than that, what you do?
Only that. Only teaching.
Okay, so you graduated?
No, I didn't go to university.
Okay, so what you did? I mean, your age is about 20, right?
No, I'm 25.
25.
Yes.
And I mean, you studied as a homeschooling or what?
So I did. I went to school, finished school, went to college for 2 years. Then I worked, and then I did the TOEFL exam to become a teacher.
Okay, so I mean, your planning was to become a teacher, right?
No, actually, it just happened. It kind of. Well, actually, when I was younger, I wanted to be a teacher, but things happened, and I couldn't go to university and do it. But when I moved to Turkey, I had the opportunity to do it. So here I am.
Okay, great. So you are living with your parents or you are alone over there?
No, my husband is Turkish. I'm married.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. So you are living there because you get married over there, right?
No, my husband is Turkish. That's why.
Okay, so he visited to England and then got married, or you visited there in Turkey and then?
The latter. I visited Turkey and I met him in Turkey, and we were talking for 2 years. I would visit, and then we got married.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a romantic love story, I guess you could say.
Okay, you mean that love story, not an arranged marriage, right?
No, no, it's not.
Yes, okay, that's really nice. And you have the childrens right now?
I have one daughter. She's
Uh-huh.
8 months old.
Okay, and you are just taking care of her, yeah, right?
I am, but when I'm working, my mother-in-law looks after her.
Okay, and I mean, your husband is doing any job?
Yes, he's working. He's still working right now,
So
which is good.
I mean, what's his profession?
So he's a manager in the tourism industry.
Okay,
Yeah, it's
that's
very
great.
hard.
So,
It's a hard industry right now, but yeah.
so yes, because of COVID, everything is
Yes.
not working fine, and that's why maybe he is getting some rest, right?
He wishes. Yeah,
Yes.
he
He,
has been, but he recently started again.
yes. I mean, you got the opportunity that he could able to spend more time with you, right?
Yes, he's very lucky.
Yes. In most of the cases, I found that this is the problem with the girls that they couldn't able to spend time with their husbands because they are working outside and all. So in
Uh,
this COVID-19, they got the opportunity, and this is one of the best thing that they found, right?
yes, it's true. No, it's true. But sometimes it's stressful because my husband is very bored at home. He wants to work. So,
Okay.
yeah, but it's okay. It's, it's part of life, I guess, with this virus.
Yes, yes, of course, of course. To meet the expenses, to do a happy life, we have needed the money, and for that we have to work.
Yes, unfortunately, it's we need money to have a nice life. So, yeah, we have to do. What's your job? What do you do?
I am a software engineer,
Hmm.
so I develop websites and mobile apps, and I'm also supporting other clients who are from Europe and USA.
Nice. So you have to speak English a lot in your work.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
That's why I'm practicing here because there are a lot of clients who are from other countries, so I have to talk with
Yes.
them. They might have different accents, so at that time, I must be confident enough
You
that
must
I
on
can
it. Yes.
manage the communication. Right? Yes.
Yeah. It's good to talk to people with different accents. It makes you, I think, more confident to be able to
Yes, of course.
understand. Yeah. There's so
Yes,
many
yes.
accents.
So your accent is British or American?
British. I'm British.
Okay, actually, I like American accent because that
Oh,
is
okay.
bottle, and there are a lot of other words which are like water bottle, right?
Ah, yes. So in English we say water. So it's different.
Yes,
Right.
water.
Oh, our time's nearly finished. But nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you too. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Welcome. See you. Bye.
Okay, bye.